Hey guys, today's video is a room tour. Now this is some bonus footage and we're bringing you all of that content so we can get you ready for Christmas. But this is what that guest room with TT space is looking like. Now you guys, just make sure you follow me along here on Her Home Is. We're on that road to that 5,000 followers. Thank you guys for sharing the channel with your family and friends, and continue to share it as well. Thank you guys so very much. Now with that being said, y'all follow me along as we clean and decorate this bedroom. Alright you guys, again we're back. We started the process yesterday. We got here, it come up a bad storm, so we kind of quit. We're getting bombarded with storms here, but we're jazzing up all of the space and getting you ready. And as you can see, we're bringing in our luxurious blue to TT space. And once we finish out the blue, you guys, I will tell you our next color choice that I'm thinking we're going to go with is green. And you'll kind of see why. If you follow the channels, you're going to get a couple story times, a couple things that's going on, because your girl is in a transition herself. We're going to get this room ready and TT approved. And sorry you guys, I thought I was recording but I wasn't. But here's the completed room tour. And make sure if you're liking the videos I'm putting out, you guys talk to me down in the comments. And you guys continue to share the channel with your family and your friends. And if you're new, welcome. Make sure you do hit that subscribe button, tap that bell top twice. It turns blue, then you know every time that I am uploading. Now you guys, let me show you this completed room tour. Make sure you come back to see what type of Christmas inspiration we're going to get ready and bring into this space.